up, people? My name is Bogamokalakan. I am the co-founder of Remmogo Visuals. So today I'm gonna talk about MaadSwiiss. Yes, MaadSwiiss. MaadSwiiss is a friend of mine. We met a long time in junior school. So today I'm gonna talk about the music video that we shot for him a week ago. So but before I say that, he is the main reason why I started shooting music video, because he forced me in a way, because at that time I was not even ready to shoot music videos, because I didn't even know how to use a camera. I didn't even know what settings to use. And then my friend Gao came by, helped me up shoot it, and then it was hella dope. And if you have not seen it, let me give you the opportunity to see it. You can check in the link below to check its original the original video, but I'm just gonna give you a clip of it right now, so check it out.
Yeah. Look, let me take it back to 1999, when I was only 2 years old and my mom was still alive. When life was all sweet like an orange when it's ripe. When dreams were just dreams, never thought they changed my life, so I kept them in the pipeline.
Yeah, that's the music video that we shot. That's in 2016, our first music video. So today I'm just gonna talk about his new song that he released. Not released, but he released. Yes, he released. It's called Mirror View. And when he released it, he apped it to me, and I was like, hey dude, you know what, this song is hella dope. And 2 days after he gave me the song, I told him we should shoot this like now. So what happened is that I called my friend Amandla, who owns Moonbox, who I collaborated with to shoot a music video for Double G 2 weeks ago. Santloko, a hella dope song, hella dope video. So go check it out as well. Let me just give you a clip of what was happening in Leone right now.
You follow the leader. Hakapeza wanatanzi tepele yako talala wateni libita. Maloba jana nikilila. Lipilo ya emi so pizza. Neke tume la kirika fire. Kante sanzi kelibaya. Au kilo abana usafara. Maroko skolo ngupa.
Yeah, that was what was happening even behind the scenes. Like you can see now, a bit of behind the scenes of me shooting. And it was a dope collaboration. I really learned a lot. Back to the topic today. I was talking about Mirror View. After he gave me the song, I told him, you know what, we need a location. It was a quick notice because I wanted to shoot that as a now. So I called Mandla. He offered us his house. We went to his house. We shot there. So it was a dope experience. I'm just gonna give you the behind the scenes right now.
Yeah. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the greatest of them all? But I ain't worried about that. I'm just worried about the door. You got me thinking that I'm dope, but where the hell is the blow? You selling me dreams of scenes. I see stages lit, performing hits with everybody singing with me. But why am I here? Listen here, the world is bleak. They let you win, you better grab yours and leave. Don't go with the wind, cause misconceptions are just misconceptions. Not even your parents can feel a pat about your perfections. I see niggas living lavish with tempers. I pray when I make $1 million, my heart is also the purest. Cause look, I live for the music. These niggas ain't shit, they urine.
That's the behind the scenes. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope maybe you have seen something interesting in it. But yeah, that's what I want to talk about today. But before I go, I want to talk about the camera that I'm selling, my 300D. Please, if you are interested, do hit me up on my inbox. If you're interested, please hit me up on my IG account, on my Facebook account, and on my Twitter account at Remmogo Visuals. So that is that. Please tell me what you think. I know it's our first video, so I might be shy, I might be making a lot of mistakes, but it happens, and I believe that along the way we are going to improve. So I just like to thank each and everybody who's going to be sharing this. I just want to thank everybody who will be liking this. So I'm gone.